This video is sponsored by English Counting, Mobile Master, Fabric Spark, Spectra NDT Engineers, News & Fabrics Clothes Store, Shweta Dentistry, MEMPU College, Orbis International School, and by Asian Mall.
Down, down, NMC! Down, down, NMC! Down, down, NMC! No to fighting! No to fighting! No to fighting! Down, down, NMC! Down, down, NMC! Down, down, NMC! Down, down, NMC!
Hello, we have closed the OPD for 24 hours. The non-essential services will be closed in the hospital, not just in the Gulbarga, but the entire country. This is a national-wide action against the NMC, especially for letting them to practice quackery. Any qualification like BUMS, BHMS and BAMS can be equivalent to MBBS. If at all, if BAMS can be equivalent to MBBS, then why can't you pick up auto drivers and the shippers in the coastal areas and train them up and ask them to fly a fighter jet plane in the Indian Army?
Under the Section 32, government said everyone, a regular medical practitioner can practice advanced medicine. Is it possible? How can he practice advanced medicine? Even MBBS took 5.5 hours to practice advanced medicine. But government said a regular medical practitioner can practice advanced medicine. It's totally about the money making and vote bank politics. It's not about the Indian citizen. It's not about the health concerns.
And it's just not that, it is like 6 months course can be given as a bridge course and then BMS can become equivalent to MBBS. It is like any auto driver can be picked up, he can be trained for another 6 hours or 60 hours or 600 hours. If this is possible, even that is possible. Anybody can become a politician, anybody can't really mess up the facilities provided in the healthcare. So we all say no to
NMC.
NMC. No to
NMC!
No to
NMC! Down, down, NMC! Down, down, NMC! Down, down,
On behalf all the students, all the undergraduate students, postgraduates, all the interns together protest against the NMC bill, which is a very, very, very political and inappropriate move towards all the doctors who have already done a lot to reach here and they have gained immense knowledge to reach here. No quackery can be accepted at all.
This bill will lead to promotion of unethical practices in our country, which leads to compromise of the health system in our India. So, according to this, and there will be effect on the UG students, health system study, and the other faculties, and it will lead to a problem system in health system in our country.
This video is sponsored by English Counting, Mobile Master, Fabric Spark, Spectra NDT Engineers, News & Fabrics Clothes Store, Shweta Dentistry, MEMPU College, Orbis International School, and by Asian Mall.